time I fly, even to this day at my age, I want to do it better than the last time I was in that airplane. I was enthusiastic. I had high ideals and expectations. I never felt that I was any better than any other pilot. I just felt this is what I want to do, and I want to do it to the best of my ability. My motivation was, whatever you do it so smoothly that it would never make anyone else riding with you uncomfortable.
Well, I certainly hope you all enjoyed the flight. And if you hear about the 51 and me planning a demonstration in your area, I sure hope you'll get out to see us. Thanks a lot for letting me show off this great little airplane.